Hello everyone, and welcome. This is your space to learn, grow, and improve your English in a simple and practical way. Let's begin today's episode.
Hi everyone, we are very happy to see you again.
Today's lesson is not only about English.
It is also about improving your life.
Today's topic is how to stop overthinking.
This is one of the most important lessons we have ever created.
Why?
Because overthinking steals happiness, confidence, peace, and sometimes even opportunities.
That's true.
Many people spend hours worrying about things that never happen.
They create problems in their minds before those problems even exist.
If you often worry too much,
If you replay conversations in your head,
if you stay awake at night thinking about the future,
then this lesson is for you.
today we will learn English naturally while learning how to stop overthinking.
We will learn vocabulary, real-life conversations, useful phrases, and practical techniques.
So grab a notebook, relax, and let's begin.
Nancy, let me ask you a question.
Sure,
Have you ever overthought something?
only once.
Really?
No, about 10,000 times.
Ha 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 ha.
Last week I sent a message to my friend.
Okay.
She didn't reply for 3 hours.
Then what happened? A movie director?
Yes.
Explain.
First, I thought maybe she was angry.
Okay.
Then I thought maybe I said something wrong. Then I thought maybe she never wanted to talk to me again.
Wow.
Then I imagined moving to another country and starting a new life.
Ha 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 ha.
3 hours later, she replied,
What did she say?
"Sorry, I was sleeping."
And that is the perfect example of overthinking. Let's understand something important.
What is it?
Overthinking is not problem solving.
That's powerful.
Many people think they are solving problems.
But they are actually repeating the same thoughts.
Exactly.
Like running on a treadmill.
Great example.
You are moving your legs.
But you are not making progress.
The same thing happens with overthinking.
Your brain is busy.
But you are not moving forward.
Exactly. Let's learn important vocabulary.
Repeat after us.
Overthinking,
Anxiety,
stress,
doubt,
confidence,
mindset,
focus,
progress,
perspective,
solution.
excellent.
Now let's use these words in sentences.
I need to focus on solutions.
Stress can affect my health.
Confidence grows through action.
I am changing my mindset.
Progress is better than perfection.
Great work, everyone.
Why do people overthink?
Good question.
There are many reasons.
Let's discuss them one by one.
Reason number 1, fear of failure.
Many people are afraid of making mistakes,
They want everything to be perfect.
but perfection does not exist.
Exactly.
Nobody is perfect.
Not even successful people.
Successful people simply keep moving forward.
Even when they make mistakes. Reason number 2.
Fear of what people think.
This is very common.
People worry about opinions.
They worry about criticism.
They worry about judgment.
But here is an important truth.
Most people are too busy thinking about themselves.
Exactly.
They are not spending all day thinking about you.
That realization can be very freeing.
Let me tell you a story. We love stories.
Years ago, I gave a presentation.
Were you nervous?
Extremely nervous. What were you thinking?
I thought I would forget my words.
Okay, I thought people would laugh. I thought I would embarrass myself.
Sounds stressful.
Very stressful.
Then what happened?
The presentation went well.
Really?
Yes,
So the disaster never happened.
exactly.
That's an important lesson.
Most fears exist only in our imagination.
David, why does our mind always think about the worst situation?
Because the brain wants to protect us.
Protect us?
Yes. Thousands of years ago, humans had to watch for danger all the time.
Like wild animals?
Exactly.
But today, most of our problems are not wild animals.
Right. Today we worry about emails, messages, jobs, and relationships.
So our brain still searches for danger, even when there is no real danger.
That's correct.
Wow, that's interesting.
Understanding this can help us stay calm.
Let's talk about another common problem.
What is it?
Comparing yourself to other people.
Ah, yes. Social media makes this problem worse.
Sometimes people see someone's success online.
Then they think, why am I not successful like that?
Or, why is my life not perfect?
But social media usually shows the best moments.
Not the difficult moments.
Exactly.
We compare our real life to someone else's highlight reel.
And that creates stress.
Remember everyone, your journey is different.
Focus on your own progress.
Let's learn some useful English phrases. Repeat after us.
Everything does not need an immediate answer.
I can handle uncertainty.
I choose peace over worry.
I trust the process.
I will focus on today.
Excellent.
These phrases are useful for daily life.
And they sound natural in English conversations.
Nancy, what is one thing you used to overthink?
Public speaking.
Really?
Yes.
What worried you?
I thought people would judge me.
That's common.
Then one day, I realized something.
What?
Most people were not judging me.
What were they doing?
They were worrying about themselves.
Ha 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 ha.
Just like I was.
That's a great lesson. Here's another technique.
Let's hear it.
Ask yourself one simple question.
Which question?
Will this matter 1 year from now?
That's powerful.
Many things that seem huge today become unimportant later.
That's true.
A small mistake.
An awkward conversation.
A delayed reply.
Most of these things don't matter after some time.
Exactly.
Let's practice a real-life conversation.
Great idea.
David, I'm worried about my interview tomorrow.
Have you prepared?
Yes.
Have you practiced?
Yes.
Have you researched the company?
Yes.
Then what is the problem?
I'm worried something might go wrong.
Something might also go right.
I never thought about it that way.
Many people only imagine negative outcomes.
We should imagine positive outcomes too.
Exactly. One of the biggest causes of overthinking is trying to predict the future.
And nobody can predict the future perfectly.
Correct.
So instead of predicting the future,
prepare for it.
That's a much better strategy.
Preparation creates confidence.
Confidence reduces fear.
And less fear means less overthinking.
Nancy, let's talk about action.
Action is very important.
Why?
Because action breaks the cycle of worry.
Can you explain?
Imagine you want to learn English.
Okay.
You can spend 6 months worrying about your mistakes.
Or spend 6 months practicing.
Exactly.
Which option will improve your English?
Practice, of course.
Action always wins.
Another helpful habit is gratitude.
Gratitude means appreciating what you already have.
Exactly.
Overthinking focuses on what is missing.
Gratitude focuses on what is present.
Every day, write 3 things you are thankful for.
It can be simple things.
Good health.
A supportive friend.
A delicious meal.
Small things matter.
David, do successful people overthink?
Sometimes yes.
Really?
Of course.
Then, what makes them different?
They do not stay stuck.
Meaning?
They take action despite fear.
That's powerful.
Courage is not the absence of fear.
Courage is moving forward even when you are afraid.
Exactly. Let's do a quick speaking practice.
Repeat after us.
I am stronger than my worries.
I can solve problems calmly.
I trust myself.
I focus on solutions.
I am learning every day.
I choose progress over perfection.
Excellent job, everyone.
Before we finish, let's review today's biggest lessons.
Overthinking is not problem solving.
Focus on what you can control.
Take action instead of worrying.
Stop comparing yourself to others.
Stay present.
Practice gratitude.
Trust yourself.
And remember that most fears never become reality.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.